Good morning all, I Razia Pathan from Grand Majori Vidyapith channel 4. So students, in a previous lecture we have completed framing word problem, that word problem related to how to form a multiplication word problems. Okay, so now today we'll start worksheet number 20. That worksheet is related to framing word problems, but here word problems that how to form a division word problems, now types of find the numbers in the each group. So students, here we are having some steps. Instead of that steps we have to make one questions. Okay, so first of all students, what we have to do, we have to write the some steps. That steps is choose a divine a large number for the collection of these things or peoples. So here divide number is a 364 notebooks. Divide number is a 364 notebook. Okay students, so in that students, here we are having the question is divine number is a 364 notebooks is there. Then we have to write choose the number of the groups. So number of the groups is 14 bundles. Number of the groups is 14 bundles. Then students, we have to choose the divide keywords. So divide keywords are divide, share, separate, break, cutting up, distribute and split. So here we have to use the divide. Then students, use the numbers and the keywords to make a question. So here number is now we have to use that numbers and keywords and we have to make the question. So students, 364 notebooks are divided into 14 bundles. How many notebooks are there in each bundle? 364 notebooks are divided into 14 bundles. How many notebooks are there in each bundles? Okay, so this one is a divisions word problems. Now students, I will give you 1 minute. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Then we will start second one, question types B. This one is a type A. Now then we'll start type B. You have to write in your maths notebook students. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next question. In that type B, number of the group. So students, in that what we have to do, choose the divine a large number of collection to things of or peoples. 360 notebooks are there. Choose the numbers in the each group. So 26 books in a bundle. Then students, keywords, choose the divide keywords. So divide, share, separate, breaks, cutting up, distribute and split. So here keywords is splits. Now we have to write use the numbers and keywords to make a question. So here question is 364 books are split into bundle of 26 each. How many bundles are formed? So this one is a question. Now हमारे पास क्या था students? What we have? We have just 64 notebooks and 26 notebooks in a bundle. These two things and keywords is there. So instead of these three things, we have to make the question. So here question is So students, here question is 364 books are split into bundle of 26 each. How many bundles are formed? Okay. Now students, it's time to you how to write in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. So you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start framing word problems in your notebooks using the numbers and the keywords given below. So students, here we are having some keywords that we have to write it here, and then we have to make the question. So let's start that students. So students, here first one question is First one question is 750 rupees, 3 members, share. So now we have to write answer over here. Now students, we are having the 715 rupees. So here we have to write a committee has rupees 750. A committee has 750 rupees. They equally share the money among three members. How much money will each number received? Then second one question is 576 mango, 576 mango, 24 basket keywords is splits. So we have to write the answer. A fruit vendor has 576 mango. He split the mangoes into 24 baskets. 24 baskets. How many mangoes will there be in each basket? Now students, I'll give you a 1 minute. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start third one question. So third one question is, there is a 450 stickers. "15 friends and keywords is distribute." So we have to write the question is, Rima has 450 stickers. She distribute them equally among 15 of friends. Her friends. How many stickers does each friends received? Okay students, now I'll give you a 1 minute. So you have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next question. So students, next question is fourth one, that D1 question. That question is students, 315 chocolates, 6 chocolates, a plate, and keywords is split. So we have to write the answer here. Akshay want to equally split 315 chocolates into plates. If each plate can hold 6 chocolates, how many plates will Akshay need? How many chocolate will be late with him? Now students, I'll give you a 1 minute. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start. Now here we are completed sum number A, B and C, D. Your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 20, E, F, G and H sums. That you have to complete it and send it to me before 1:30 in a WhatsApp group. I hope so students your work is complete. Bye everyone. Have a nice day.